Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. Friends, today I share with you how you can make the pumpkin flower pakora. It is a very tasty recipe, also very crispy recipe. You can see I plucked the pumpkin flower from my garden. Please comment me if you like to pluck the flower like this. You can see it looks so nice. Also, it is a very tasty recipe. Many people don't know how to make it crispy. So today I share you special tips for this, how you can make it crispy. So let's go and see. First I cut the lower side of the flower. You can see I cut the green portion and also remove the yellow portion inside it. After cut it very nicely, now I will wash all the flour very nicely. You can see I cut it very nicely. After washing it, now I will make the batter. For this, first I take here rice flour. After that I take here gram flour. You have to remember one thing, you have to take the rice flour more than the gram flour, because it will be crispy if you add more than the gram flour. After that I will add some salt, some turmeric powder and some Kashmiri mirchi powder. After that I serve here chopped green chili and white cumin, ginger and green chili paste. Then I will mix all the dry items with the flour very nicely. Then I will add the water into it. Don't add the water at a time. You have to add the water and mix it like this. You have to add several times of water. After mixing it very nicely, now you have to mix the mixture very nicely and make a thick batter. You can see I make a thick batter. I add more times of water here and make a thick batter. After that I will dip the flour into it. You can see the density of the batter, it is little thick, and you can see I dip the flour very nicely. Now I will take a karai and hot some oil and give the flour into it. I give here 3 pieces of flour into it and fried it. When you give the flour, you have to keep the flame medium. After frying it little more, when it will be fried from the both side, you have to keep the flame low and make it crispy. You can see I fried from the both side very nicely, and you have to keep the flame low and make it crispy from the both side. After fried it very nicely from the both side, now I will put it down on a plate. So friends, you can see our today's recipe pumpkin flower pakora. It looks very nice and crispy. Please try this recipe at your home. Thank you for watching.